the squad of Biniam Ghirmay. Ghirmay, I can't quite see him yet. He's tucked in there on the wheel.
It looks like Turgis is also in there for the battle.
He is a rider who likes to go for these green jersey points. There's the rundown, 14 points on offer now. The sprinters start to open up. Big attack of the team of Biniam Ghirmay. Ghirmay goes, and it's Biniam Ghirmay who's going to secure the maximum points for the team of NSN. And I have to say, Nico, Biniam Ghirmay made that look very, very easy.
Yes, he did. I was looking on the right-hand side of the surge of Philipsen, but no, Ghirmay was a lot quicker on the left. I think Pedersen maybe in second, Turgis in third or fourth, Philipsen third or fourth as well.
Looking at Mads Pedersen, let's just talk us through this sprint.
You see Bridgesberg, Ghirmay just going quite early actually, but Pedersen going from very far out. Yes, MCB Pedersen number 2, Philipsen third.
Turgis,
yeah, fourth, I'd say Merlier fifth.
and then just behind, was that Matthews?
Yes, or on the left, the rider from, is that
Oh yeah, one
Astana
Astana rider, and the